everybody, Denny here. Hey, I hope you all had a good St. Patrick's Day. I did. And today we're going to take off painting a big tree in the winter, and we're going to paint the tree essentially by painting the negative space around it. So let's head on over to easel and get to painting. I'll meet you there. Alrighty, here we go. I've got myself kind of going already on this. I'm just dampening the area around where the main body of the foliage is going to be. You see, again, we're going to paint this by painting the negative space around it. Now, I've just got some cerulean blue and such as that, okay? And we're just going into where I've already got it damp. And the paint is going to do whatever it wants to do, and that's perfectly okay. We're painting, this is known as negative space, by the way. Just negative space, okay? And we do a whole lot of painting in negative space, and it works quite well for us. You know, we're going a little bit darker, a little bit lighter, just like that. And as we move through this, we're going to start seeing this tree form actually begin to take shape, just like that, okay? So we've got our sky in, and as you can see, we've already seen some of the form of this thing, just like that. And now tomorrow, be with me, and we'll put the background trees in, and then we'll be down here putting the snow in, and then we can actually do some work in the body of the tree. So, be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, let us know how we're doing. And we do need those comments. And remember also, as always, that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. We're off to a good start. Be sure and join us tomorrow. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.